The piece of string. For me, it's too hard to accuse someone without proof. Everyone is unpredictable and may lie. This is true to everybody. Everyone wears a false face. I, myself, experienced to be fooled someone I trust. But despite this, I forgive the person and that person changed. So I don't believe that if a person commits a mistake, he or she can change anymore. We should learn to forgive and bring back our trust, little by little. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm going to connect my real life experience to the story The Piece of String. So when I was in 9th grade, I had these two classmates, Ryan and Jem. Jem thought Ryan stole his money in his bag because Ryan was the last one who opened his bag. But Ryan asked permission to Jem that he was going to open his bag, but no one believes that Ryan did not get the money because everybody believes Jem that Ryan was the one who stole his money. Then our teacher found out that the one who stole the money was from the other section. So you don't need to mind what other people think about you or him.
My real life experience in this one when I was in high school. Me and my friends accused by our teacher that we laughed her when she accidentally slipped. But when that accident happened, me and my friends having snacks on canteen. And that day, in the eyes of other teachers, we did that kind of thing. As the day passed by, me and my friends come to our teacher's office to clear that we're not there when that accident happened.
One of the moral lessons of this story is to not care so much about what people think of you. In this story, it reminds me a lot. One of the best moments I remember when hearing this story is when my friend joined a bike race, which is approximately 3 kilometers from the starting point. Knowing that he is only using a lady's bike, while his competitors are using mountain bike, road bike. Before the race started, they noticed him and his bike and started laughing. After the race, guess what? He lost. But the lesson there is, he is proud of what he has, even though they are make fun of him.
In the story, A Piece of String by Guy de Maupassant, I can relate it in my life when people tend to believe what they want to believe. Like in issues or any problems, people would hear what they only want to hear. Even if you're already telling the truth, sometimes they would still choose to believe lies that were told to them. So when dealing with people like them, I just ignore them to protect my own peace because I know myself more than how they know me.
In this story, The Piece of String, I can relate myself to Malandine, the one who accused Hachikorn. Back then when I was a senior high school student, one day there was like a meeting of all students, so we went down for a meeting. Then two of my classmates didn't come. After the meeting, it was already lunchtime, so I took my bag to see my wallet, but my wallet isn't there. So in my mind, the guy who was left in the room took my wallet. Then I asked them, but they denied it. So I get my motorcycle key to get some money on the box of it, but I got surprised. My wallet isn't there. So never accuse someone without a valid proof.
The story of Piece of String is like a nightmare in my life that I was once accused of something I did not do. There was the day when I was waiting in the bus terminal and there's a lady sit beside me. Then upon entering to the bus, the lady notices that her wallet was missing. She accused me who get her wallet for I know myself I did not. Then she began to get the attention of others and she's telling me then we'll go to the police station. Then, luckily, there's a man shouting that he says that he found the wallet on the bench we were seated a while back. After that, she never asked an apology to what happened. In this story, you should not care too much about what people think about, for you know yourself you're innocent.
The Piece of String story. You should not accuse someone if he didn't have enough evidence. Just like me when I'm in high school. I used to be an early bird. I got to school just before everyone. I don't clean the room. Instead, I put my bag down, get my wallet, and buy food in the store just beside the school. I was eating my snack when one of my batchmates from other class arrived and buy snack too. The bell rang and sign of flag raising ceremony. So I immediately stood up and get inside the campus to line up. I was missing something, so I think about it so much, and I finally found out when I see my batch from other line. I got back to the store, but the one from the counter said that there's no wallet left behind. I immediately suspect my batch, but when I asked him, He told me that he didn't see my wallet. I was left dumbfounded that day. My suspicion didn't stop there. When classes is over and I finally got home, my mom told me that a tricycle driver called her because he found my wallet. That's why we should not accuse anybody if we didn't have evidence. It hurts if they accuse you, you never do.